Good morning, guys. It's very early in the morning, and which is why it's still pitch black. But I thought I'll jump in the shower, and I'll come on. Do I even put my makeup or do my hair or anything? Just tie my hair back, and come on with my rather shiny face because I've put my moisturiser on. I want to open day one of my advent calendars. I usually kind of don't do it day by day, but I just kind of thought it might be quite fun this year to do it. Set myself a wee bit of a challenge. Tomorrow I might be dressed, who knows. So the first advent calendar here I have is this rather huge Look Fantastic one. I got this as a Christmas gift from my friend, and I've been so lucky this year, so spoilt. One of my other friends picked me this up, the number 7 advent calendar. So I'm really looking forward to this. So here we go. I love the carry case it's got as well. Yeah. Trying to work out how it opens to be part of it. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. It's so unusual as well. Right, so day one, what do we have? Day one. Is anybody starting to feel festive yet? So day one is airbrush away. Never tried this before. So airbrush away. Oh, it's a primer. I'm actually looking forward to trying that. What I might do is keep all the products until the end and then try them. I'm not sure, but I'll let you know once I've tried them. So number 7 is a fantastic brand. I hope you're opening up your advent calendars if you've got one. So this is the inside of the Look Fantastic one. There we go. I knew I was getting this. Yeah, so I didn't know about the other one though. To day one. Oh, it's a rather big box for that little box inside. Right. Okay, I love the pink packaging. Oh wow! Oh my gosh, Natasha Denona Blush and Glow Duo. Oh, I'm so excited! Genuinely. There was me saying it's a big box for a little box inside it, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the packaging on that. That's stunning. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, it's got a mirror in it as well. Oh, that is just absolutely stunning. I love it, I love it, I love it. So day one, Look Fantastic. I love it. Day one, number 7, airbrush away. I can't wait to try them both. So I'm really delighted with what I've picked up on day one. Thanks for watching and have a great morning. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye.